Right folks, a very good evening, early evening, 4:15, late recording today folks, as you find me here outside in this garden now. Someone of my subscribers, I can't remember his name, he's going on about how he wants me to do a gardening video. Now, I'm not very green fingered, I'm afraid, as you saw from that little garden thing. Couldn't even grow any cress, let alone come down to this garden here and sort this mess out here, folks. Look at it. It's I don't know. It's all very I don't know. It's not very. Oh, we've got Buddhas and cracky. I thought it'd be heavy. It's quite light actually. So we've got Buddhas and plants that have fallen over here. Cracky, how's that supposed to go back up again? I think the roots have come out of this one actually. Look. Yeah, the roots have come out. Oh, for goodness sake! Look, see, the roots have come out the bottom of that plant and have grown into the ground. So that, God knows what I'm going to do. Well, I have to pull that out. I'll try and pull it out, folks. Hang on. But I'm scared to pull the whole bloody building down or the wall down. Oh no, the wall's fallen. Oh, look, see, look. Look, maybe just try and prop it back up again. Hang on. Oh, I've broken it. Oh no, I've snapped something. Oh no. Oh God, oh, for goodness sake, look. Oh, Lord above. Oh God, I've snapped the trunk, the tree thing. That, oh, for heaven's sake, man. That's not a very good start to my career, is it, honestly? Look what I've done. I've snapped it. By trying to sort it, I've snapped it. Oh, for goodness. Trying to push this up, as you can see, it's difficult. It's difficult, man. So we've got these little light things now. These little rocks. Is that supposed to be? What's going on here? Look. Is that supposed to be a rock? I'm not sure. That's supposed to be. I think this was supposed to be up here, was it? I'll leave that up there. So as you can see, folks, this is as good as my gardening goes. Over here we have this little area here that seems to be devoted to dragonflies and all sorts of things. I don't know what's going on. There's people coming out. There's another scary looking owl and some gnomes and things. And look, I mean, that's all dead. I don't know what to do with all this, man. It's fallen over and they're fallen over. And this is just a nightmare. I don't know what to do with all this. Look at this. How can I do a garden? Oh, I've grown some tulips. Look, they're nice. Right, folks. So anyway, I don't think I'll be doing much gardening. It's got a bit windy down here. Now today I was quite happy with myself, folks. I managed to actually put the washing machine on and put the washing out as well, and it's nice and it's kind of dry now, so I'm just waiting to go and hang it up. But I mean, not hang up, but what do you call it? Dehang it, take it down, and I have to fold it. And but you know what? So when that's done, I might actually come back out to the garden and try and sort some of this. We'll start with a little area first. We'll start on this, I think in Buddha Corner. We'll call that Buddha Corner, and we'll maybe start getting involved and try and do something. Maybe look at some online stuff and how to rejuvenate a dead sort of garden. Marion, the lady up the stairs, she normally looks after this garden area, but she's just not very well at the minute, so just don't know what to do, folks. But